Welcome to ZF Aftermarket at Automechanika Frankfurt 2022. We are showcasing here our aftermarket solutions for distributors, workshops and fleets. We never had so many and so exciting new aftermarket products, services and digital solutions. So please take a look.
Holger, now it's getting really interesting. The people are arriving and we're very close to the summit. Can you describe what the summit is all about?
So for the first time in 4 years, we are meeting here our top customers tonight. We're expecting more than 400 guests tonight, so the place is going to be packed.
Yeah.
And we are presenting and showcasing our latest innovations and solutions, which we are bringing to the aftermarket this year.
Yes, and that's going to be really interesting because tonight, once the summit is over, we're going to magically turn this room into our CEO breakfast for tomorrow. And there we're expecting CEOs from leading aftermarket companies from all over the world. And the highlight is going to be, we have Mika Häkkinen and Mark Gallagher, who will be our guest speakers. And I'm super excited for that, even though it's very early in the morning, but I think it's going to be worth it, right?
Absolutely.
Right, let's do it. So if we start with our CV area, there's a high focus this year on remanufacturing. Of course, sustainability is a big topic for us. And now we are in our passenger car area, and here you can see our latest products around e-mobility, and we have a bunch of smart assistant systems. And this brings us to our third stop, our autonomous driving area. Anything that you need to drive a car autonomously or even have the assisted support systems for the cars of the road today, you can find here. In this area, we also show a lot of our newly developed OE technology. And this is all still very relevant for the workshops because with these systems, we are showing the workshops the technology of the future now and are able to prepare them for an autonomous future.